To my groom, through a smile of a picture, I already knew you were the one for me. That saying, when you know, really hit me like a truck, because I knew right then that I would love you for life.
Vow is a promise made before God. My vow before God and before you. I choose you. I will always choose you. Even the days we don't understand each other, while words come out wrong and silence sits heavier than it should.
Growing up, I knew with all the deep thought that you gave everything, that you were going to be very selective with who you would marry. As you look at your beautiful wife and reflect on how your relationship has grown together, you can know that Nicole and you are truly blessed to be together.
I can see the change you make in him. You balance him. You guys found your match. He's found his match, and I couldn't be happier for the both of you.
I vow to love you in a way that is not of this world, because the world will fall short. You are, in fact, not of it, but beyond it. Our covenant, I promise to cherish and honor forever.
A vowed whisper through the storm that you're the only heart I want to be beside, and my heart to be beside you in the end. The only soul I want to grow old with misunderstandings and all. Always you, still you, only you.
Nicole, I remember when you first told me about Nathan, and I was a little on edge. Within the month you told me he was the man you were gonna marry. But here you guys are tonight proving it to me.
I vow to be a God-fearing woman who covers you in prayer when you're far and speak life into you when you're near, and to be there for you in all the ways you need me to be the best mother to our future little ones and hold down the fort whenever Dad is away.
Family and friends, it's now my great privilege to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Nathan and Nicole Meisenhelter.
I wish you many, many years of love, happiness, security, and everything positive. And to that, let's raise a glass to Nathan and Nicole, everybody. Cheers.
I'm really happy that you guys have found each other, and you guys are a very beautiful couple, and I can't wait to make more memories with you guys together. And I'm incredibly proud of you both, reaching this milestone together, and I wish you a lifetime filled with happiness, health, peace, and love.
May they always remember the reason why they fell in love, never forget the laughter and tears, and the dance parties that brought them here today. Let us raise our glass to celebrate, congratulate Nicole and Nate.
May your journey together be filled with love, laughter, and a lifetime of adventure. Cheers.
I promise to do it all with you, loving every version and gladly choosing you every time. Wherever you go, you will never have to wonder where home is, because I promise you will always have a home in me.
Even when it's hard to stay home and not go out to sea, you're always on my mind and you'll always be with me, because every version of us is worth it, and I want to live in every version. I love you till death do us part. To my bride.